Hi guys, thanks again for joining me. Just gonna do a walk from the Park Santiago 3 apartment out towards the beach here on the left hand side and maybe catch the sunset. See all these shops here on the left hand side, these are all part of the Park Santiago. By the way, if you like these videos that I'm doing and you like what else has been on the channel, please subscribe to the channel, that would be great. I've been waiting for probably a couple of years since I started this channel so I can finally get away somewhere and do this properly. It'd be great if you could subscribe if you like what you're seeing. And give the video a thumbs up as well, that would be really brilliant, thank you. So again, this is all part of it as well, of the Park Santiago. There's a Chinese in here. Kong Sha. There's a leather shop. There's a pizzeria on the corner here as well, owned by Park Santiago. So what we do is we just cross over here. See the Park Santiago 4, just here on the corner. A few more shops in there. Supermarket Park Santiago 4. Oh, here we go, just in good time for the sunset, I think. I'll maybe try and focus in a little closer. There we go, how about that?
Yo no las puedo usar porque yo siempre estaba en tapón.
Hopefully a bit of Spanish music going on in the background of one of the bars or restaurants behind me here. Actually, as we're doing a sunset walk, here's a bit of trivia for you. A lyric from a song, see if you can guess the song. So the lyric goes, sun setting like molasses in the sky. See if you can guess the song. Comment below if you know what I'm talking about. See if you get that right. Give you a clue, it was actually a very famous song, which is still here on the radio a lot these days. I think it was in the late 80s or something like that. And there she goes.
Oh, no more Mr. Sunshine.
No one missed the sun for today. So that trivia question I left you there, yeah, comment below if you know the answer to that question. In the meantime, we're going to just continue on and enjoy our evening, and I'll do another few videos. Do one along the Paz Strip at night, which will be great, and also around the Safari Centre. So again, yeah, thanks a lot for watching. Thanks for listening, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.